Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ankita Agrawal, and today we are going to learn about advanced features, or I cannot say advanced, different tabs and their groupings and what are the features in those. So over here you can see I have written a 3 lines, or you can even say 2 paragraphs, in which we will be applying different things. So first of all, let's start with this. So over here you can see if I select these lines and I just go over here, you can say alignments are there. So you can see this way you can align your paragraphs. Even you can apply to that particular text, you can apply colors, and you can even put borders to your data. This is the bottom border, this is the top border, left border, right border. No border is similar like a normal Word document with all borders, and then outside border only, then inside border. Then you can even draw horizontal lines, you can even draw tables that we'll be learning in the insert tab. So over here, for example, you need to find some word. For example, say I need to find, so as soon as I click structure over here, you can see a navigation tab coming. So over here you can say structure. So as soon as you click the structure, you can see it has been highlighted like this, so you can find it. And over here, for example, you can even replace it with some other word. For example, I say structure with design, and you can say replace and then find next. So there will be no other. So okay, so now over here you can see that language after that structure was written, so now it has been replaced by design. So there is only one structure throughout the document, so it has replaced. If there will be more, then everywhere it would have replaced it. Otherwise, if you want an interval, so you can select one. Then in that case you don't need this tab, you can directly click on the screen and you can do it. And then over here another thing I just want to tell is you can even reduce the line spacing from here, either like this. So this is the way of removing the line spacings also. So let's go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, many things can be done. You can do page breakups, like you can do paging, 2 different pagings in that. Then you can insert the table. There are 2 ways you can do. Either you can select like this, you can say insert tables. Over here, sorry, it should be Control Z, it is doing in that data only. So insert data and you can say table. Either you can select like this, so it will make table according to your requirement, or another way, if you want proper you have proper measurements, you can say like this. But it's not that. If you want to insert more, you right click over here and then you can say insert columns to the left, or even you can delete the column, you can insert the rows and top column, and even insert the cells. You can even merge them. Then you can even apply different type of fonts or all those things. You can even apply the borders to your table, like I want maybe of this color. Then maybe you can do the border painting. Okay, then you can even do the shading like that, or whatever part you have selected, it will be shaded. So this is the way you can add the tables. You can apply different type of things to your table. Then you can add picture. You can add picture to your particular Word document. For example, I just add this picture. So you can say, because I have clicked inside the table, so it inserted over there. You can do it at the bottom also. And the same way you can add you can even take pictures from the web, so online pictures. I will not be using that for now. You can insert shapes, like for example over here. So it will come with a plus sign. You have to press your left key and then drag it down. Okay, so for the shapes also there are different colors you can use. And then other than that, you can do shape fill with different colors. Then you can only do the outlinings, like over here you can see I did it with yellow or red or something. Then other than that, what you can do is, for example, I select one more shape. So you can do shape effects. You can, and if you want to write inside that, you have to right click and then say add text. So now over here we can write anything. Same way, you can align your data left or right or whatever, which way you want. Then even you can draw a text box. So like that you can do so many effects on your Word document and make it very attractive. You can do charts. You can put charts in your data. So there are various charts like line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area, depending on your requirement. I just show you how you can do this. So over here you can see one table has been added, and then according to that the data, according to that at the bottom you can see a chart will be generated. Okay, so this is the way you can do all those things. You can add screenshots to your data. Then let's come to the design part. In this you can put designs. You can put page color, like if I put like this orange color, I can even put a page border. It can be of any style, any color. Okay, then width and height I can do it. Okay, then over here if you see there are fonts, like how we want to write. Then there is option of watermark. Watermark is basically that is coming at the back of the page. It's like no one can remove that, so I'll just apply and show one. So let's say like this. So you can see if I just remove this table, you can see at the back something coming confidential, but you can see on that, on the top of that, this shape has been drawn. So this is basically the watermark that is basically used by the companies or maybe by the institutions for offering a letter, or they have their company letterhead in which this is written, their company name might be written in the back. So these are known as watermarks. Okay, so you can do even page layouts over here, how it should. For example, I just show maybe I just select this data, and how you can see the newspaper, it is in the columns, right? So you can even do like that, like I can divide my data in two columns. Like in the newspaper so much news is there and it is divided into a number of columns, so you can do that. You can even apply margins. You can do like that, indentations, like if I see I can do like that, left and right. So my data is moving from left to right, like that. You can even do spacings between that. You can do the alignment. You can even put the line numbers, and even there's the option of putting the page number at each page. So this is a way, and for you can use the, you can save your document. You can even print your document. You can say print, and in whichever way you want, like all the whole things. Other than that, you want it in the form of portrait or landscape, and then you can print it also. So and you can save a document that you can use it for the future references. So this is the way that these are the basic groups we use of the different tabs that are very, you should be familiar with it, and you should use it in a daily life for making a report or generating any document. So this is the way it can be done. So thanks for viewing my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.